Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to mark current location in Waze. So now, if you want to do this, you will just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, here on the Waze, as you can see, in order for you to mark your current location in Waze, as you can see, I have my location turned on and it is showing the blue icon that this is my current location. Now, if I want to mark it, I could just simply hold it. And now, from here, guys, I will have an option over here, the three dots on the top right corner of this pop-up. And from here, I will have an option, preview location. So here on the preview location, I could just simply save it. So from here, when I save it, it will be automatically on my save post, as you can see over here on down below. And guys, if you want to share it to your friend, you will have an option over here, share as well. And you could just simply share it and you will have more as well over here, which you can set it as a start point or you could show on map. And another option that you could try is you could just simply select mark your parking spot. So from here, I could share my location and now I have marked my current location on Waze and you could share it. So pretty much you could utilize this tool in order for you to proceed with this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.